With the fast development of the low-altitude economy, various application scenarios for drones are continuously emerging. VK has launched a developer platform sharing the open-source Projective Ground Control Station. Introduction to the VK Developer Platform. The platform is built on the Qt framework and supporting mainstream operating systems such as Windows, Android, Linux, and Ubuntu Kylin. It is the first time to open up core functionalities such as data communication, flight route planning, and peripheral control. The open-source GCS is compatible with the V10-PRO and V12 flight controllers. With the use of open-source ground stations, VK has also developed a hardware replacement simulation system and a security backend platform. Reduce development costs and provide more convenience for developers. Access to the VK Developer Platform. Visit the VK official website at www.vk-fly.com/ to enter the developer platform. Click on Project Access to visit the VK GitHub community, where we will continuously maintain the latest open-source projects. Developers can browse, download, and share insights with developers worldwide. The developer manual provides detailed information on all classes, structures, unions, and interface definitions in the SDK, allowing beginners to get started quickly, while experienced developers can explore more advanced techniques. The key license is a crucial element to active SDK. You need login to download the key. If you haven't registered yet, you need to complete the registration first. To be a VK developer, click Login or Register or Become a Developer. As shown, please fill in the complete registration information. To ensure a quick approval process, please make sure that the company name and flight controller SNS match the information provided when purchasing the product. We will notify you of the approval results via email or SMS soon. After successful registration, log into your VK Developer account to download the key license. You need to insert the key into the .pro file for the future development. Innovation starts now. Join us. We will keep releasing more developer-related videos. Please follow us.